know if I do that thing here. God Almighty. I think Ivany have one page or so.
Bring a good night.
Rosalie, one little mix up. Goody want clear the air. It just Miss soon talk to you. She want clear the air.
I want to ask first about my notice. That me want to ask Destiny about notice.
A Destiny no find Destiny this cute and girly man.
True.
Destiny, what somebody call Destiny? Jesus.
Any topic where them want go on, me can go on that topic. But me ask Destiny first where she stay from her ear so me get notice. Which apartment I go call you? Guys, me live a 8350 Roswell Road, Pointy at Canty Bridge. My address can't hide. Go on the internet and type in my address and make a call tomorrow when the front desk open and ask them if Vanny have noticed. The people them not giving you no information about that. Me not get no notice. The only reason why I say me there leave are because lady people took my address and whole heap of time. If as me do something, police come. Somebody call and say they worry about you if you're alright. And that's why I say me I leave. That's why I say me I leave. Me not get no notice. Me not owe rent. Me don't owe rent in America. Never in my life. The first house I live up with the girl where they me sponsor and I owe rent. Me come out. Me pay my rent. I don't my money. The woman never want to give me back. Make it be a problem. When I remember good. She never want to give me back. Make me and her in a problem. Me not owe rent over you, my love. So more ask her which part of me get notice. And which part of me build fake page and I text myself like come show the proof. Cause knowing you and you have your proof them and everything. Which part of me make fake page and text myself?
Wanna call Destiny?
Wanna share the life to Destiny. I want the blood clot. This is not hold up the thing, man.
This is a court work, right?
No.
This is a talk free show now. Court done.
What she a try say? She a try for say nothing no go so where Destiny come just say. So now if you left the lady make she clear herself.
No, class no more. You're the verdict. The verse I lie this not tell a lie this not tell this not the showers of our proof.
She have her proof them earlier. So when Destiny takes a long for come, when the whole part issue that hold it up, how God.
Make sure come show a proof say me text myself or sure say me
Bring a look at Destiny on live now.
Yeah, look, she's not there. She's not there, Cheese. You always want me make blood out of stone. She not there.
Yes, I was about to come now. I know the time to come.
First, me not even did know Karina page. The people them go dig up the girl page and send me to my Instagram. Me and always did good on a good terms. And when the people them want and this, me don't know this girl send me the picture. When the girl send me the picture, me turn on my live and I start cuss. I'm gonna post up the girl Instagram and that's how come everybody start follow her Instagram. Me never search for that girl and me never look up that girl. So I want Destiny can show or proof, say I me dig her up or I me text myself. Why me I go text myself? Me have so many different fake pages with people that text me and me I say, the girl. Me have, we come here, I could have hide and go in my phone and take out the girl number. Me not even didn't know the girl that the girl first called me. Me over here saying my baby father argument. I made it good with me and my baby father cuss. Me never did cuss no girl until the girl called my phone and she first called me and provoked me. Every time the boy come over here, she call me. Or every time when he come over here, all of a sudden a fake page start text me.
Guys, Destiny cannot be found.
Destiny, somebody said Destiny say him now come, so him now come now.
Oh
We
God.
can't bother with them DB behavior, yeah. This now make no sense.
I mean,
If I now come and feel like tell I just the truth. You have to come, this a big old thing was sad. Now look how much people there, 1.5 million.
True. I'm from some of the stadium.
No,
1.9 gone now.
That no fear still, cause she did talking things for truth. So goody come now.
So what kind of evidence Destiny say you have for me? What kind of evidence? About me always situation. No have no evidence. Come in now, go to him and tell him nothing.
The people and boy from night to dep on the one thing. Me see that, you know, me see everything.
Life on his own self, cause all the thing he will text me and tell me say, black the girl Karen and don't make him mash up here and oh yeah. So when me and you sit down and talk, if you have evidence, one thing come talk for true. Come and talk and show your
That means the destiny we can't bother.
That means that somebody a tell lie. Cause she can come talk what she say. How she know the girl and the girl have one secret to bust out. After when Vanya have baby, one will pass.
Yeah.
Not them only talking here now and then when time the real time come we not hear what go on. This no girly.
And
but
it's
where you
unfair.
have a secret for bust out for the girl. Why wait till after me have baby? Come talk your secret. No, you don't know the girl from nowhere. Talk your secret.
That's how me?
No, you said Destiny say she
And the destiny, I was talking on the girl behalf.
Destiny so the girl have one secret to bust out when you have baby. So she glad so the girl have breed.
What they call destiny?
you know that me I say.
Yeah, wait for she come can walk in the saga.
Me I say if Destiny have
When I'm here to hold your back.
Thank
if
you, Rosa.
Destiny have that the secret there and Destiny knows that the girl a breed because the girl tell her that. Come and show it. Where you wait for me for have baby for fish talk it? Me having baby now or whatever, the baby still a go there. You know
So why destiny no one come on the live? Me not understand this.
And cheese, this don't look good for we neither because bad to bad. She come over here and
To be honest,
the thing.
me not lie. The stadium full.
You know look good for we, my love.
Jesus. This no girly, no time at all. Me not like them behavior. Watch the stadium full and the ball and the middle.
mean but after me leave. Listen, Destiny can come on the live and me don't open my mouth till he don't talk. Me not have to open my mouth.
All
So
right.
she there, she's supposed to come now to get full and full of.
Destiny, hold on, Rosalie, mute. Mute, Rosalie. Me and you mute, Rosalie.
Please, calm down. A long time you said request me now with me did on my live a while ago. I was on my live. I was not running. And yes, I did send the picture to Ivany. I don't afraid. Me and Cheese wasn't friend. Me and Cheese not even friend. So I'm supposed to send the picture go get Ivany. I did. Yes. And I have proof who sent me. Me have proof who sent me that. Yeah. I did. So what's the big deal now? But I'm brave.
All right, now Destiny. That's
Don't talk to me. I don't want to talk to me. Send me Spinger. Give me
How do
Spinger
I
the
get
message.
notice? How
Give
do
me
I get
Spinger.
notice?
You told me that on the phone when me and you talk when me on T-Nice live. You get notice. The people make complaint on you and you get notice. I turned to you and I said that. My
Yeah,
friend
go walk
who named
over next
Latoya.
door where lady
Hold
live
on,
too.
Tappy Nice.
And see
I
if
said
it's
to you that my friend who named Latoya, who buy me the Christmas tree, live in Atlanta. I can let her rent a place with her documents. That's what I said to you, Ivany. I am not lying.
Can you show the message? Can you show it?
Girl, upon phone
Show the
call,
message that you tell me that.
you remember the night when
So
me,
you were
Jesus Christ, so you're wicked?
Destiny out of everybody in the world. Me I go tell you, you say me get notice.
Ivany, what you mean if you're not
Let people out
Ivany,
there say me get notice.
you're too wicked. I whole heap of things to tell me. I whole heap of
Blinga,
proof me up with you.
Blinga,
I whole heap of
yeah.
things, so stop
One
it.
girl,
I
one
don't need
lady
to be
over
like,
here.
guys, I'm not lying. You tell me
One
that.
girl over here, she works at the front desk. I'm going right next door now.
You told me that you got notice. You tell me that I am not lying, Miss Blinger. I mean, no one nobody thinks I lie, me I tell. Me have everything in my phone. Even
Hold
girl.
on, Blinga, hold on.
Maybe
The
tell me
people them in
Cuss
the
girl, I'm
comment
having no bias
section.
stuff. Me have
Hold
everything
on,
else
the
stuff. See
people
for
them in
ya.
the comment section. More
Oh,
want to no
Tada.
vote. Uno feel well on the people in the comment section. More want to no vote. Uno feel like say me tell Destiny say me get notice out of everybody in the world.
I
Like
be a
Destiny
that
alone me
say.
tell say me get notice.
I be a that you say. And you said me other things. I be a worse than that. And I be a that you say.
Destiny, why me that
See
tell
them
say
a
me
say
get
yes,
notice?
See them a say yes.
Why me that
You
tell
told
say
me
me get
Ivan on the
notice?
phone. You told me that on the
Why
phone.
me would
God
tell
and
you
time,
say
you don't know
me
no
get
more blood
notice?
clot.
Why me that tell say me get
You
notice?
told
Get
me that
notice
on the
to what?
phone. Just like how me tell everything, you tell me that on the phone. So stop it, Ivany. Admit it.
Why me would I tell you say me get notice? Get why
Ivany,
why
and that
me
is
would I
what
get
you are going
notice?
come every minute when may have argument. You could already
Destiny,
tell Destiny on Destiny
my
chat
lease
chatting.
now up
You
until
did Ivany.
October.
I am not lying. You tell me that on the phone. You even come and look apartment. Girl, stop it. I'm not lying, girl. I don't need to be lying.
Listen,
You said
the
that to me,
only
girl.
reason
You
why,
tell me
the woman that even there, the only reason why me I look apartment are because
Jesus,
police are come back.
Ivany, you said that to me on the phone. I'm tell us me have a friend named Lataya. Me can't call my friend right now. My friend only far from me. Me said it to you. I said it
Two
to
person
you.
can't
I
talk one
said
time,
it
so
to
you
you.
talk and then me talk after. You talk,
You
me
too
talk
lie,
after.
my girl. Oh, you're so wicked.
My time for
You
talk
nah
now.
stop walk and tell
My
lie.
time for talk now. Destiny, me and you never in our fuck. I swear upon my blood clot and
Jesus Christ,
me
you
never
always
in a
tell
life
him
tell us
something.
me get notice.
Every
Me
time you do
pay me
something, you
rent.
always say,
Me
nah, go tell me
never
because
tell
my
us
mouth
me get
chat too much. And
notice.
you did tell me.
Yes. Me
You
never
did.
tell.
Why you saying that? I'm not
Never play a
lying.
late fee in this a place, yeah. Or we tell me say him a go help me look a place for move because him don't feel
Jesus
safe yet out
Christ
him
of
picnic.
Nazareth.
Me
Me
a
never not
voice
say
note in
wicked
my
girl.
phone when my
I
baby
would
father
never
help
ever
me
chat
to
back
look
to you.
somewhere
You
for
egg you
move.
wicked, you know?
Blinger, me can come off of the phone, yeah, go up on my next phone and go in a voice note, make your ear. My baby father did not want me move my side of him. Me can go log in for my next phone, make your ear voice note.
Me say the girl
My baby
tell me
father
on the
get
phone
places for
say
my
she
rent.
get notice to
On
leave the
Monday and Tuesday,
apartment.
me and him need to
You
go look
told
for the
me
place.
that
Me right
on the
beside a
phone.
film blood clot apartment.
You said that to me. You're lying. You said to me that say you get notice to leave that apartment, but now you change your mouth.
But Destiny, you
Wow.
will approve of everything. Oh, you not approve
Wow.
of that?
Just like how you send me everything.
Yes,
Just
screen
like you send
record
me the girl number to
everything.
start
You
from the
have no
girl. Just
proof.
like you
Where
do
proof
everything
there?
for me of them there. I'm here
Where
you
proof
talk.
there?
I
Where
know me I'm
proof
record
there?
it for. I'm here you talk. Me here you talk on the phone call Ivany. You're
Where
too
proof there?
terrible.
Where the proof there?
Or if you approve on a phone call.
So me out of
Eh?
everybody, me not tell always time me get notice. Me not tell
You
my
tell
mother, me not tell my
oh me
friend.
feel
And
if you
y'all
tell
know me tell.
Owie. You tell me say you get notice.
And y'all
You
know
tell
me
me
tell.
say you get notice. Me,
No,
you know what
and
I'm
y'all
here on
know
the phone
me
and talk
tell.
for?
And you
About 4
alone me
me
tell
here
for
on the
me
phone
get
and talk
notice.
for.
You alone me
Hey,
tell
you
for
wicked in
me
a
get
blood
notice.
clot,
And you
girl.
have no proof of that.
Hey, you wicked in a.
You know no blood clot proof of that. What
You
me have to
wicked.
get
No
notice?
man, cause you're wicked.
What me have
Don't
to
cry,
get
cause you're
notice?
wicked. I'm wicked people
What
alone,
you
man.
do
No
your blood
man.
clot
Calm
run?
down.
You're wicked.
What
I'm
you
say,
do for
Father
your
God, you
blood
know
clot
the line
run?
me
The
a blood
notice
clot
you
tell
go
for a girl, you
suck
know.
your mother
Hey, you know
butty
the line me a
boy.
tell for a girl, you know.
Go
You
suck
know
your
the line me a
mother
tell for a girl,
butty
and hey, you
boy.
wicked no blood clot. This is me
You
hate
know
you
go
too
kill your
wicked.
blood
But
clot.
that's
Go
what you look on
suck
the
your
phone.
mother butty boy.
You see?
Tell me
You
that
know
for
what
me.
you do. You know what you do.
Tell no
You
blood
come
clot
now,
that
no,
for me.
So she got a
you know
number.
it's
Me
true. You never want
flang
it
and
to be
one no
true.
The
blood
You
Ivany in
never
the
want it to be
hospital.
true. You
butty
know it
boy.
With
is
blood
true. You know
clotting.
Me
it's true.
flang and
It
one
is
no
getting
blood clot
serious.
for give me. Me
It's
not
the
You know
care
it's
first
about
time
true.
it should
bumbo
be
You know
clot.
a
like
blood
this.
clot. You never got.
Ivany
Me
don't
a
go
good
sit
girl
down.
will pay my
Oh.
bumbo clot
Yeah,
rent.
but
Can't tell me
she is
like
the
fire
first time
and
she
blood
should
Pay
clot
my
behave
in
like
my
bumbo
this. She
life.
clot
normally
rent.
Yes,
do.
When
Fuck your
me
right
Fuck
pay
to
my
around
say.
and pick,
bumbo clot
but
tell you.
it's the first.
If you pay
The
my
thing I
father
want
with
to
my
you,
man's iPhone, he can't
you
tell
need
you
to
now.
calm down,
She
calm
never
down,
want
calm
nobody
down,
else.
that she
calm
need
She
to
never
do.
want
Yes,
nobody else so
so.
she get noticed. And
Stop
I'm not
telling
lying.
that for me.
But don't
calm
And
down,
worry.
the
Stop
first
calm
telling
bitch
that
she
down.
for
behave
me.
like
Don't
this.
worry,
She
cause somebody
normally
gets
go
sick
Stop
of
on,
the
telling
blood
that
Sit
clot.
down,
for me.
sit
but
down.
not
Remember
like
you're in
this.
a month.
Stop telling that for me.
Don't
That's
tell me
me
some
head
wicked
is
me love
straight.
for that
Stop
she do.
telling that for
And
me.
that she tell
Girl,
me love
Me
put
under
not
my
come
mouth
here
shut
start
up
pressure.
tell
out of
that
my
for
mouth.
you.
Destiny,
Cannot be a
destiny,
problem to her
destiny.
when me
Me
never do
not
her
come here
nothing.
start tell that for you.
Just like come and tell